Hi everybody and welcome to this video. Today we're going to make this balloons toy for 3D prints. First, I would like to say this is my first English video, so if you like, please like and subscribe. If you search some pictures on Google, there are some variants of this Pokemon, but in Rhino it's the same. This is a preview. I made this render in Keyshot. In the next videos, we will create all these toys. Here there is other render and let's start. We need a new document in centimeters. Go to sphere, click anywhere, diameter 2 units, create a cylinder, concentric, diameter 3.2. And 0.5. Move 5 units. Shaded view. If you want to buy these toys, my mail is in the description. Select the sphere and activate the mesh command. Delete the original solid and reduce mesh. Select the mesh and mesh to nerve. Delete the original mesh. Make a sphere, no reference. Move it. Boolean difference. Delete no. If you just want a 3D print, please scale this solid. If you want to make a render, create a circle, create a new layer, gray color, change object layer, and make a planar. Create a red layer, draw a concentric circle, and make a planar surface. Move it. One more circle and planar. Create a new layer, white color, draw a circle and planar surface. Move it and rotate all surfaces. Change color of this layer. Go to Sphere. From center, scale 1D and move it. Make a box and Boolean split. Boolean difference. Select these parts and mesh. Delete the original solids and reduce mesh. Go to Curve and draw like me. Once again, and close the curve.
Je te promets, je te lâcherai jamais la main. Je te lâcherai jamais la main. Je te lâcherai jamais la main. Je te lâcherai jamais la main.
Make a join and extrude close planar curve. Both sides. If you want to see a preview, go to Render View and check Surfaces Edge. Select these parts and mesh to nerve. Delete the original mesh. Go to this solid and draw like me. Move it and copy. And that's it. We finished this toy for 3D print. In the next video, we will make a Metagross toy. I hope you like it and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Tu as sommeil?